All right, so if you're wondering how to do a taillight install, I use a little help from What's Your Forte's video, aka James, and you have to undo the back clip, which is that piece. It's a few clips, like right here, so forth, and you got to undo these clips right here, and then get back to here. I'll show you all in a minute. Once you undo that, you just unpop that, which is off to the side here, and you lift up, and bam, your tail light comes out. I'm doing a reverse order of installing and uninstalling. So these are the black OLEDs, and the reason why I'm removing them is because getting another set, but yeah. Then you want to take this plastic clip, right? I already put mine in. It literally goes up like this. Slides up in here. It has to fit in these grooves. See it? And then you just tighten it with an 8mm. There we go. Just like that. Make sure it tightens up right here. That's how your taillights get seated. Same way, it just has to be seated with this flap down. You see that? Right here, this has to be seated, and of course that seam will go down just like this side. So you'll notice with these tail lights, they don't seat all the way down. They seat enough, but you'll see what I mean whenever y'all install it. There's nothing wrong with them. It's just they're not OEM. OEM always will seat better. All right, next you want to pull this back. When you pull this back, there's a little screw back there, right there. That one. I'm sure y'all can see it. That one. I don't know what's up with autofocus, but that one. That's the one that you have to undo to get out this tail light. Then you want to peel this up, right? After you get that screw out. And undo this. And undo this. And then tail lights come out. That's a 8mm wrench. 8mm wrench. Make sure you use a 10mm. The last two screws you got to get out. Or nuts, excuse me. Once you remove the bolts, taillights will come out like that, and you undo the wiring right there. You're gonna pull this back like that, and press it down on here. Right there, comes right out. All right, make sure you replace your carpet, push it back in, then put the clips back in. Now on to the right. Also put this piece back in as well. On to the right side, undo that. Just use a little pop clip, like or not pop clip, but a screwdriver. Comes out just like that. Use this. Boom. There we go. And then you have one more right here. Same thing. All right. Pop that out, the same one like this. And then you pull this back. And the same reverse order of removing this, like on that side. Make sure you put the carpet back after you tighten the right side, like the left side. And now install this. Also say hello to Ink Customs dog, Kara. There are clips up here that you'll need to snap in place. It's easy. Just press it. Don't need to like hulk it, but you know. And then you put in these little clips here, and then you're done. All right, so it's a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right here. 7, 8 clips that you need to take off on the back panel for the taillights. So tools back, stock taillights back on, looking good. Oh, that's a how-to on how to install and uninstall your taillights. And I'll catch y'all next time.